Good morning, Aditore Salis. They greet everybody for the 25, Abi?
Yes.
25 day for inside the month of March 2015. And I just say 3 days to election.
Bam.
We are now doing a counting down.
Bam.
By tomorrow is going to be 2 days. By next tomorrow is going to be
days.
1 day. Then by after next tomorrow is now going to be election day.
No
so
day.
I beg me, I want to say something. Look, we are a preacher of a peace people. Please. Because these people, if you finish election, they will go and continue their office. It's you will be running around. They have killed my son, they have killed my daughter. Violence not necessary. It's not necessary. Please, I beg you in the name of God. Try and comport yourself. Have a respectation of your reputation. Please, we beg you. And then apart from saying they do violence up and down, a word is enough for the wiseness person. You have to stay in your lane. Respect yourself and stay in your house. You elect, finish, you go to you're back in your house. Don't do loitation. Don't be doing movements in a place that have not concerned you. Please, we beg you. No day around people. No, this is what we're talking about. Have I introduced you? Have I introduced you? Why you entering inside my
No. When you talk, say we the pledge peace.
Thing?
Me, I don't the peace on all sides.
You see this thing waiting at the talk now. That's why I'm saying this thing. Let me introduce you.
Okay.
Oh, now all the swag. Wait till the introduction don't finish now. Maybe they don't show you.
You know I introduce again.
It don't finish now. Wait till remain.
No, but we talk about that too.
Wait till remain.
You go introduce me.
When they talk, they do Shebi then kuku don't show you. Don't finish.
I dey ginger you. I dey give you scope. You say peace, I do peace. You say a yo, I do a yo. Not what you tell me.
You go do a yo.
You don't do a yo.
Okay. So as I dey talk, I dey tell them say I beg. I take God name beg you. Make you no stay amongst people where you know. No stay among places where they just drop anything carelessly. They very careful. Because this life where we get, nobody gets duplicates. If you buy, you buy. I beg. We take God name beg you. So good morning, welcome everybody, PADI. And you know say yesterday I've been the talk say I don't broke. The brokenness affects my mood. So my guy Ogbonge, he went to go and look for money for us. Yes.
He don't go also.
Ogbonge is a very gentleman. I'm telling you, he went to also and Abla. If he say my girl, you sit down while I do the also. Let me be the man for you.
That is to show say the kind man where women, they always lie.
Like
guy with the
so he brought you.
Because he believes say I dey capable.
Okay, he brought a capable believer.
I'm gallant. I will take care of you.
What be this? What did they just show just now? They show person you do peace.
Peace, yes, we dey pledge.
I beg.
we dey pledge.
You see what you do like this now. Can't do strong face. Can't do like this. We pledge peace.
We pledge.
We pledge please.
Peace.
Yes.
No violence.
Then they say we dey go break now.
We dey go break. No violence. Peace. Go and pledge peace.
Peace.
Take it. Are you kidding me? So now, that's why it be. See, instead of person to help person, we don't they do this thing for this country too.
Not be say we don't. They don't say we don't. They see.
Aye. See,
this the way he go help and stand up.
He take a picture.
He come out in front. Just before I help you, quick a selfie.
Yes, sir. Maybe you put them for Instagram, put them for Facebook. Make them know as he take crash. Brother.
Now what?
Hey.
Hell, you know say this thing they happen well. That's how people go. Accidents go happen. When you for help the person, people go come on. They snap.
They snap.
I beg.
When you know say life no get duplicates. If anything just happen, bam. Not be first aid. That's what they do.
But this one funny.
No. But the way the guy take fall,
this one funny. The guy is on my tumble.
The guy do backslide. As he enter, and the Baba just come on your phone.
I will help you, my son, but let me snap you first.
Make it for no loss. You understand?
Oh my God. All right, before we continue, we could just enter the level of Yandy Yan this morning. We could give you the gist so we come for you. I'ma give you the gist as I come for you. You know, I don't know what to say, but everything is come and go. Just push it.
Hey!
And we are back.
Bam.
So this is coming to you from the stables of PADI live. It's not a... Well, look, we don't used to put this thing cooler. We give it to you hot. That's why I was saying yesterday, say why human beings, in the midst of the hot, we can make a mistake. Like him is making a mistake now. You don't know that mistake they make this thing when they do. It is saying, I don't know. If they present.
Well, yeah, Lumo, they don't know. When you see person where they do like this, they do like that. You don't say they try pass information where you supposed to know. As they go. Better tell them, Jerry. No, we know waiting at they tell them.
All right. So this one concerns beauty power. Oh God, I just called you ogbonge. Oh my God, I did it again.
Take it easy. It's allowed. It's allowed.
Bad belly.
No, my guy. It's allowed.
No, my guy. All right. Okay. So my first gist for you this morning. This one concerns. Do you think I look like a modest?
I don't understand.
Do you think I look like a modest?
Is that a question?
No, just answer me.
You look more far away, better than a model.
So Kemi, see me.
Hey.
Wherever you people are, I'm not your mate. In
when
this
they
model
don't, they believe. They don't.
Have you even seen me? I'm more than you, especially that Kemi with your fine body. I'm finer.
But wait, that girl been fine before.
Who?
No, now you now. Now you.
Nothing concern me. As long as no people they talk at me, it's okay. It's okay.
Okay.
But Kemi Sha, well.
We
don't know what they talk. You get one girl where they call Kemi where they work for you. The girl fine die. So today I don't want to know. They say as you see yourself, that's how it is. So I see myself that I am finer than Kemi. There's nothing anybody can do.
Where you see yourself?
I see myself in the CCTV.
In the CC, okay.
Yes.
Now there, okay. I've been told, and since say you see yourself another place, because I myself I see you.
Come on, dear. So talking about the pageant matter, when they talk on to model matter. So this particular lady, she get vitiligo. Now, a lot of people go to ask her wetin be vitiligo. When I know that thing where we say people go to turn, then they get like some yellow patches for body, where their body go they be like say yellow one place. Where they say go they peel.
Yeah.
All those vitiligo people say they feel. Some people they get them for face, some now for hands, some now for every part of their body. Now this 19-year-old girl will be winning Hallow. She be they do modeling. You know, see her. If you see her face, you go see the vitiligo. They her body, they her leg, they everywhere. But she be they do wannabe of an American top model, top model. But now she don't go far. In fact, she been winning. You see the vitiligo they show for her body. So this now element to show you say you not get any limitation except the one where you put.
Where you put for yourself, bam. You know, she say she did confidence of herself.
I'm telling you.
She still go the competition.
Yes.
She still winner.
She still winner. You don't get any limitations. Now, she can't talk, say, now, honor for her for this one. Because that means that people understand what she they fight. And it make her winning. He make her even more honorable. Because if you understand, she said, that means people understand what she they go through. And she happy said and give her this one because it make her feel the need to want to do more. Now, last weekend, she picked up the Beauty Idol Award for Germany Magazine Gala Spa Awards 2015 for inside Badin. You understand me now? Now, then she for win the thing. So this one I have to tell you, say, my brother, it doesn't matter the size of your cloth or the size of your shoe or even the money in your pocket. It depends on where you go to. Look, there are places where you go and eat for 10,000. There are places you eat for 1,000. If you have 1,000, you respect yourself, you go to 250 own. You still have a change of 750 naira. That is called sense, confidence, and putting yourself in your lane. You understand? So no limitation. If somebody is eating bokoto, you decide to eat a bokadam. You say, look, forget this thing.
What do you mean that?
No worry.
Bokotop?
Bokadam. Oh, bokoto is the one that they will. You go to hello. This will have a sorted. But if you go another place, but it's the same thing, my brother. Depends on where you know to go. So there's no limitation. You are capable of doing anything
as you want to.
As you want to.
As I decide to say today, I go come here, can't do anything.
You done dey.
I don't do it. Una dey see me so.
You get it.
Na so.
Yeah.
I believe in myself.
As
that
I
one
decide
day,
now, say I won't carry braids way heavy past my head. You know, see the thing just turn my head to one side, but it's okay. I'm capable of it.
you know, I've been the thing say something they do it for neck before because when they hear me,
my brother,
they never found out.
the thing heavy. I don't know what this Esther where they do our hair. I don't know what Esther
It
put
be
for
like
my
say
head.
she get you for mine.
The thing can't heavy me.
She get you for mine. Forget. All this one way you realize. If they say fashion is pain,
My brother,
are you feeling
this
it?
pain is painful.
Are you feeling it?
I'm
You're feeling
feeling
it.
it.
All right. All right. Okay, then this second story we did now. This one I
Yeah.
want serious matter.
Okay.
Because they say police been parade 92 suspects, armed robbers, cultists,
Epa.
with the Port Harcourt. They don't say this men, they don't find them since. They don't raid everywhere for Port Harcourt. They cause wahala. This election period, they don't decide say the commander-in-chief of their own police region for there, the public relations officer of command, say that Mr. Ahmed Mohammed, at one media briefing, like, he talk say, he don't come to make sure say he arrest the whole 92 set of young boys where they believe say if they come out, they go just the course if they want thief, they go put roadblock. Can't act like say they be police. Start to the raid motor. They carry different weapons.
Wow.
They thief people car from here to there. They create nuisance.
For Port Harcourt,
For Port Harcourt, yeah. They create nuisance. They can't talk say, according to the command, they talk say, the challenging thing about this thing is say, these guys, they not be just young boys, they be cultists. So some of them, they get spiritual power, join them. You don't understand? They do things. They do things. See, they go put, see men, see boys, where they're supposed to use their life, they do better thing. They decide to go outside. They disturb the whole area. Wow. They thief, they go. They be like congregation as they do. So 92 men. Think am. If you get 92 men, where carry this their knowledge where they get, put her into better something.
My brother, you know what this country go turn?
It's not going to be productive. Now they round them up. They catch all of them. It's today, now don't happen.
You know say now leaders of tomorrow be this.
If I hear.
Now leaders of tomorrow.
This is the one where they're supposed to be leader.
The one where they're supposed to be leaders of tomorrow. You can't even know what they do me be say, we don't they preach peace. All these people will not they fight because some of them they go use them for political hooligans and they tell you this thing.
Exactly.
All the people will not they fight for, ask them where their children did. Story for the God. I rest my case.
That's now food for thought.
Food for
as
thought.
You talk
I rest my case.
Bam. So as wow. the thing surprised me, say people go just decide say their own way of life.
And their mama go there has anything do you now, your mama go they cry. I don't start ya. I bet more go break.
It tire me.
People should be respecting yourself.
Please love your neighbor.